Hello everyone, this is the direction video to help you complete your Chapter 4 through 6 Mastery Check. Remember that you're going to make an inference about each passage. Use those inferences to draw a conclusion about the conflict. Be sure to include details from the passages to support that conclusion. You'll start here with the first passage. You will read this passage and then you will make the inference using this sentence frame. Then you'll go to the second passage, read the second passage, make an inference based on that passage in this sentence frame, and then you will make another, read one more passage and make one more inference. Once you've made those 3 inferences, you're going to come over to this last column and draw a conclusion. Using this sentence frame, I conclude that the conflict is, and this response you will say internal or external. If you choose external, there are 3 different types of external, so please include that. Then you'll say because, and be sure that when you are including your response, you're supporting that conclusion with details from your inferences and passages. Let your teacher know if you have any questions.